Hello students, in this video of class 8 chapter coal and petroleum we are going to study about preventing energy crisis. What do we understand by energy crisis? As we know that for every need of our life we are dependent on the fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and the natural gas now. But coal and petroleum and natural gases are having a very limited resource or limited supply for on the earth. If we keep on using them at very speed up way, then very soon they are going to be finished. This is called energy crisis. That after that, what fuel we will get for our users. How can we prevent energy crisis? By using energy judiciously. Judicious use of energy means that we should not waste energy. We should not waste energy, and we should take the methods where energy spent is less, or we can say that the energy efficient ways we should opt for them. How can we use for the non-wasting energy? Like when the electricity is not used in any room, we are not sitting there, then the electricity, CFLs, lights, these things should be switched off. Like other electrical gadgets also, washing machine, geysers, these should be switched off when not in use. Second thing, we can apply where the energy is when we are going from one place to another, we should opt for the public transport. In the cooking also, we can use the less energy by applying some good methods. Like when we are cooking, then we should use the pressure cookers, or we should close the pans from the lid so that the less energy is required for cooking that food than the open containers. We can use other methods like when we are buying the electrical gadgets, we should buy those electrical gadgets which are energy efficient. Like nowadays LEDs are developed. So LEDs are better than CFLs, which were better than the electrical bulbs earlier, which were used in our houses. So we should opt for those electrical gadgets which are energy efficient and use less energy for our whatever energy is required by us. So by these methods are useful for preventing energy crisis. Second, the very important topic is conservation of fossil fuels. We can prevent energy crisis by conserving the fossil fuels also. How can we conserve the fossil fuels? A better way to conserve the fossil fuel is biogas, which should replace the use of the coal, petroleum and natural gases. What is biogas? Biogas is produced by using human waste, cattle dungs and garbage, etc. In many rural areas of India, the biogas is in very much use. So biogas is a good alternate to save or to lesser down the use of the coal and petroleum products, so that we should have, or we would be having the storage of coal and petroleum for a very longer time, so that the scientists will also get enough time for making or developing new alternate methods for our energy requirements. So this was all about conservation of fossil fuels and how to prevent energy crisis.